beautiful. This is a real family favorite recipe. Just the right kind of vegetables, and everybody loves noodles, and it's fully dairy free as well for the lactose intolerance out there. Beautiful color now, and we're ready to eat. This is a great takeaway favorite to try at home, and it will be quicker on your table than your takeaway takes the time to arrive, and much healthier. So I'm talking about this chicken chow mein with Chinese cabbage. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by slicing the chicken. So chicken chow mein is a traditional American Chinese recipe. It's quite mild and always with egg noodles. I'm going to add in half of my cornstarch. So this is going to make the chicken is slightly more crispy when we fry it. So I'm going to start by slicing my Chinese cabbage quite thinly. So the Chinese cabbage is a little bit a different shape from the regular cabbage. It's not as tight of a roll either, and a bit sweeter. So that's the Chinese cabbage done. So I'm going to attack next my carrots. I'm going to peel it, and then we'll need to cut it into thin matchsticks. And next we're going to take the spring onion. For the spring onion, I'm going to slice it thinly, and I'm going to leave the greens for decor at the end. And next I'm going to rinse my bean sprouts. And the last step is the garlic. I'm just going to peel it. So I have 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to add in the cornstarch. This is going to make the sauce thicken. Then I'm going to add in the chicken stock, the oyster sauce, the sesame oil, the soy sauce. I have 2 different kinds of soy sauce. I have the regular soy sauce, and I have some sweet soy sauce, which is thicker and obviously much sweeter. I'm going to whisk it all well together, and that's our sauce ready. Next, let's attack the noodles. So for the noodles, I prepared a pot of water. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt in it and bring it to boil. Okay, so my water's boiling. I'm going to add in the egg noodles. I'm going to cook them for just 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, the noodles are nice and separated. I'm going to drain them and rinse them in cold water, which is going to help them from not sticking. And then we're ready to start frying. So I'm going to add some oil on the pan, and I'm going to heat it to high heat. So once the pan is hot, I'm going to add in the chicken. So we're going to fry the chicken for about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So we want the chicken to become nice and golden brown. See about the color. Okay, a couple of more minutes. Beautiful color now. So I'm going to put it on a plate on the side. I'm going to add in just a tiny bit more of oil on the pan, and then toss in my cabbage, my carrot, and my white parts of spring onion. So you want your pan to be really hot. 2-3 minutes will be enough. Now I'm going to add in the garlic, the bean sprouts, the chicken, and the drained noodles. And finally, I'm going to pour in my stir-fry sauce. A really good stir, and we're ready to eat. This looks beautiful. This is a real family favorite recipe. It's not very spicy. It's got just the right kind of vegetables, and everybody loves noodles. And it's fully dairy-free as well for the lactose intolerance out there. I'm going to just top it with these beautiful spring onions. And voila! For more fun and easy Asian-inspired recipes, click here. But from my side, bon appétit!